guys, it's me, Cirkul time, and so yeah, so we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna give you the first look because I love you guys more. Whoa, this is like a flip book. Take that out. It says water for you, waiting for. We have 75 plus delicious flavors to try. And I have a couple of them. So yeah. So here it is. Metal. How'd you do that? Ooh, I'm gonna try this one.
Wait, did that even phase you? Did it even phase you? Not even phase.
So yeah, hold on, I'll be right back. Anyway, so I got this flavor pie.
Shit.
And
Did you go potty?
this is what it
Go potty.
looks like. Okay. I am going to fill water in this. I'll be right back. Okay, I filled this 40 ounces. 40 ounces. 40 ounces.
So fast on the concrete, she slid.
And so yeah. So here is this beautiful thing. It's green. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Oh my God, she jumped over the back of the couch.
Okay, and now I'm going to
Down.
do this, and I'm going to do
And if they really want to work it out, they're gonna have to make some changes.
number 9.
It's definitely not one to
Amber, lay down. Lay down.
Whoa, whoa. That is good.
Is it good?
Yeah, this is good.
Which flavor did you put in?
Berry blue punch. Dang, this is good. Number 8. Time for number 8. A little off center. 7. Okay. 6. Still. 5. Kind of like number 8. 4. That kind of tastes like number 9 though, but like low flavor. 3. That's actually kind of good. It's not as good though. 2. It isn't really good. And number 1. And 0. 0 is gonna taste like water. Yeah, 1 was plain water. Now 0. It's just gonna be like no water completely. Yeah. So those are my ratings on this one. I'm not gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this one in another video. But yeah, this is the berry blue punch. I hope my other ones work. It's like These are what this is like. No, this is a GoSip LifeSip. I don't know what this is. Don't know what this is. Oh, whoa there. LifeSip and GoSip. I will put this back up. There. So yeah, this is my rating, and yeah, this is I'll link this in my link tree. This is the Cirkul. Oh, this is the Cirkul final finale water. Finally, water is your favorite beverage. This includes the stainless steel cup, comfort grip lids, this, 2 sip cartridges, these 2, which I already opened one to try.